Hello, in this video we show how to generate pairwise combinations of strings in R. So for example, if we have two vectors of strings, then we can create a matrix with the contents are combinations of these pairwise elements of these two strings. We can use alter. The alter combine with paste option in this function. And next example is that we can use expand.grid function to create a data frame which combines the information which are combinations pairwise elements of these two strings. So next we will show how to implement this in RStudio. So you can also download this source file from this website's download link. So next we go to RStudio and we open this file, then go to the section for generating pairwise combinations of strings. So first we create two vectors. Both are elements of a string. For example, locations, 4 elements, and treatments, 3 elements. Then can use alter function for the locations and the treatments, and we use paste, then sep with dash. So which means these pairwise elements will be combined with dash. Then the result will be saved to a matrix called M. It is done, and we show M is a matrix with 4 rows, 3 columns. The elements are pairwise combinations of strings using dash. Then if you want to get the results in a vector, so you can use svector, then with this function. The result is a vector with 12 elements. Then, so here we will use locations. So next example is that we use expand.grid of these two strings. Then the result will be saved to N. Then we show N is a data frame with 2 columns, variable 1, variable 2, and these 2 columns show element by element from these 2 strings. And you can, of course, you can index 1 variable. So n variable 1 is this element. So this example quite strange, but in special case may be useful. So thanks for watching.